Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
You're starting by preparing the external drive and mounting it. Plug the drive into your Mac, then open Finder to confirm it appears. Once mounted, check available free space and format. If you need cross-platform access, use XFAT. For Mac OS only keep apps or HFS+. Next, quit photos so the library isn't in use. This prevents corruption. Make sure you have a recent backup or copy before moving anything, because moving will change where Photos reads the library from. Now you'll copy or move the Photos library itself. Open your Pictures folder, select Photos library. Photos library and use get info to note the size. This is your verification target. To copy, drag the library to the external drive and wait. Do not interrupt. If you prefer to move and free internal space, hold Option while dragging or copy, then delete the original after verifying. Once done, compare sizes and inspect package contents, with show package contents only if necessary. Finish by telling Photos to use the library on the external drive. Hold Option while launching Photos, then select the library on the drive and set it as System Photo Library if needed. If Photos refuses to open or is slow, quit and run the built-in repair. Relaunch Photos holding Option and Command, follow prompts to repair the database. If performance is poor, ensure the drive is USB 3.0/Thunderbolt and isn't sleeping. Keep the internal backup until everything runs smoothly.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.